Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akila. In this video, I'm going to explain about GSTR-3B. And if you have any concern regarding GST return, if you want to file any GST returns, you can contact me. My contact number has been provided in the description box. If you want to explain me about any particular topic, you can mention in the comment box.
Let's see the content which have been covered in this video. The first one is what is GSTR-3B, what is the difference between GSTR-1 and 3B, what is GSTR-2B and 3B. In my previous videos, I have explained about GSTR-1 and GSTR-2B. So in this video, let's see what are the difference between GSTR-1, 2B and 3B. Then who is liable for GSTR-3B? What is GSTR-3B due date, GSTR-3B late fees, etc. First, what is GSTR-3B? GSTR-3B is a self-declared summary GST return filed every month quarterly for the QRMP scheme. Taxpayer need to report the summary figure of sale ITC claimed and the next tax payable in GSTR-3B. A separate GSTR-3B must be filed for every GSTIN.
GSTR-3B is a summary of sales, ITC claimed and tax payable. It is filed on every month. And there is one more option, that is QRMP scheme. QRMP means quarterly return monthly payment. If the turnover is less than 5 crore, they can file the return 3 months once, and but you have to pay the tax liability every month. If you have more than one GST and GST number, you have to file separate GSTR-3B for each GSTIN.
What is difference between GSTR-1 and 3B? GSTR-3B shows supplies during the month together with GST paid, input tax credit availed, and reverse charge purchase, etc. On the other hand, GSTR-1 is a monthly or quarterly returns that shall be filed by the taxpayers. GST-1 helps in disclosing details of monthly or quarterly sales and tax liability.
In GSTR-3B, there will be sales details and GST paid, input tax credit and reverse charge mechanism. About reverse charge mechanism, I will explain in my some other videos, and these all come under GSTR-3B. In GSTR-1, there will be the details of sales and tax liabilities. It is filed monthly or quarterly by the taxpayers.
What is GSTR-2B and 3B? Tax credit is being availed for the tax which has been actually paid to the suppliers. The purchase invoice against which tax credit is going to be claimed in GSTR-3B is found in GSTR-2B in compliance with Section 16 of the CGST Act.
The tax credit which is going to be claimed using the purchase invoice in GSTR-3B is found in GSTR-2B.
Who is liable for GSTR-3B? GSTR-3B return filing is mandatory for all registered taxpayers even if there is no business activities in the particular period. In such case, a nil return is to be filed. A nil return does not have any data filled in the statements or any of its table.
All registered taxpayer has to file GSTR-3B. Even though if there is no business activities like no purchase or sales has been done, they have to file a GST return. In such cases, they have to file nil GST returns.
What is GSTR-3B due date? Due date of filing form GSTR-3B of April 2022 extended till 24th May 2022.
Before the due date to file GSTR-3B was 20th of the following month. Now the date has been extended to 24th. So we can file the GSTR-3B return within 24th of the following month.
GSTR-3B late fees. It depends on annual turnover in the previous financial year. For nil returns, the late fees has to be paid. The maximum late fees is rupees 500, that is for CGST 250 and SGST 250. And if the annual turnover of the financial previous year exceeds rupees 1.5 crore, the maximum late fees is 2000, that is for CGST 1000 and SGST 1000, total 2000. For the turnover from 1.5 crore to 5 crore, CGST 2500 and SGST 2500, and the maximum late fees is 5000. And for the turnover more than 5 crore, for CGST 5000 and SGST 5000, so the maximum late fees is 10,000. In this image, we will be getting some more clarity about GSTR-3B. So once we find GSTR-1, that is the outward supplies of our business. As I said in my previous video that GSTR-2B is auto-populated with the details from GSTR-1. From GSTR-2B, the statement of input tax credit and RCM will be available. Combining these two, the GSTR-3B is auto-populated, and in that GSTR-3B, there will be GST payment, offset liability, and GST return filing. Thank you.